A pH indicator or acid-base indicator is a compound that changes color in solution over a narrow range of pH values. A pH value is determined from the negative logarithm of this concentration and is used to indicate the acidic, basic, or neutral character of the substance you're testing. pH indicators exist as liquid dyes and dye-infused paper strips. They are added to various solutions to determine the pH values of those solutions, whereas the liquid form of pH indicators is usually added directly to solutions. The paper form is dipped into solutions and then removed for comparison against a color or pH key. pH indicators play a vital role in terms of real-life applications. Most products require specific pH for activity or stability, especially in the food and beverage industry, cosmetic industry, and pharmaceutical sector. Thus, the industrial application of pH meters are huge, ranging from water conditioning to food production. In this experiment, the students will be able to determine whether a certain substance is an acid or base using a natural pH indicator made from eggplant skin or eggplant peelings. Moving forward to the experiment, we will be needing 2 eggplants, water, clear plastic cups, heat-resistant container, and the dropper. Moreover, we have chosen calamansi, baking soda, vinegar, and a laundry soap powder as our samples for testing. After 2 days of waiting for the peeled skin of eggplants to air dry away from direct sunlight, we are now ready to proceed to the next step of the experiment. Let's boil 250 milliliters of water. This is approximately 1 cup of water. And if it's already boiled, remove it from the heat. Then in a heat-resistant container, pour the hot or boiled water, and then soak the dried eggplant peels. Wait for 3 to 5 minutes or until most of the peels have turned a yellowish-green color. By then, we are now ready to remove the peels and allow the remaining solution to cool before use. Now let's move to the testing of pH. As you can see, all the samples are now in their separate plastic cups. 5 drops of calamansi, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/8 teaspoon or 2 pinches of laundry soap powder, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of water. Now we will be adding 1 teaspoon or 5 ml of water to each cup, and then to each cup add 10 ml or 2 teaspoons of the natural pH indicator, which is our eggplant peels. After doing so, we will now observe for the color change.
pH is a measure of how acidic or basic a substance is. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. pH of less than 7 indicates acidity, whereas a pH of greater than 7 indicates a base. In checking the pH level of water, the indicator obtained a brownish color after mixing with substance. Based on the pH scale, the water was shown to have a pH level of 7, which is at the exact center of the pH scale. This then indicates that the water is neither acid nor a base. For the vinegar, the natural indicator gave off a yellowish color after mixing with substance. Vinegar has a pH scale of 3, which indicates that the substance is acidic. The same yellowish color goes for the calamansi and baking powder in lighter shades, but substance has a pH scale of 2 and 8 and is therefore acidic. Lastly, the natural indicator acquired a color of paler green after mixing with substance of the laundry soap powder. The substance will have pH scale of 10, which indicates that the laundry soap powder is a base. Plants have long been used as a natural pH indicators. According to the study of Helmanstein in 2019, the pigment in many fruits and vegetables changes colors in response to pH, making them natural and edible pH indicators. Most of these pigments are called anthocyanins. It was stated that any plants containing this pigment may be used as pH indicators. Eggplants were among those vegetables that contained anthocyanin in their pigment. Normally, a red cabbage would be used as a plant source for this kind of experiment. In this laboratory activity, however, eggplants were utilized by the students as a plant source. In the experiment, most of the samples have given a pH indicator a yellowish color. The students found out through the pH scale that these samples are substances that are acidic. Moreover, the students observed that the natural indicator obtained a paler color after mixing with the basic substances. And lastly, the neutral substance gave out a brownish color to the indicator. The goal of this experiment was to analyze the accuracy of eggplant peelings in testing the pH of various household materials. The students therefore conclude that the use of eggplant peelings as a natural indicator in assessing a substance's acidity or basicity is effective.